This video is sponsored by Leaf Tea. Opinions are my own. I have here the 40 tea bag cinnamon tea. Delicious, literally. Warm, cozy, cinnamon aroma. Right out of the box. So I really like that each bag is individually sealed. That locks in the freshness. Simple, caffeine-free nightly sipper. So right up my alley. What I liked during my taste testing, pure cinnamon flavor, naturally sweet, spicy, and comforting. I love the individually wrapped, which for me translates into fresher cups and easy on the go. I could take this with me. Caffeine-free, sugar-free, vegan, love all of them. How I used it. I did 8 ounces of water, 3 to 5 minutes. So 3 to 5 minutes, 8 ounces of water. What you can do if you want for a stronger tea, you could use 2 bags. You could use a splash of milk. You can ice brew it, double strength, pour it over ice, put lemon in here, put honey in here. There is nothing you cannot do with this. You could brew it strong. You could chill it. Does it have any sugar? No. This is why I like this brand. It is sugar-free. The sweetness is derived from the cinnamon itself. Would I recommend it? There is no doubt in my mind. If you want a cozy, a naturally sweet cinnamon tea that is so easy to brew, hot or iced if you like that, and if you loved these individually wrapped little fresh packets, Leaf Tea definitely makes it an effortless add to your nighttime routine or afternoon pick-me-up. I highly recommend this.